Hi, third graders. Mrs. Thompson here. I'm here today to talk about basic fact strategies. These strategies are going to help you as you start to add and subtract bigger numbers and as we start to get into multiplication. Today for Monday, we are learning strategies to fluently add and subtract within 1,000. I can use a strategy to accurately combine values. Today's strategy is going to be learning our doubles facts. Yes, you probably already learned these back in first grade and second grade, but knowing these doubles facts will definitely help you when you are adding bigger numbers. And also, you'll find out it also helps you when you're subtracting. So, boys and girls, you're going to take out your handy dandy journal and you are going to make a 2-column note. So, you are going to basically draw a line down the middle of your page, and then you can draw a line at the top. The top is going to be where you put your title, Doubles Facts. And on each side, you're going to put doubles facts. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So you're just going to copy that down. You can pause the video to give yourself some time to copy the doubles facts. Notice on the left we have odd numbers here, and on the right we have even numbers. Okay, now you should have copied all of those doubles facts and they all probably came to you pretty easily and quickly. And so the whole goal is for us to be quick with those doubles facts. And so here you'll see where you get to practice. So take some time to practice the doubles facts that I have here. Yes, I have some that are in the hundreds. I have some that are even in the thousands. And so we can use those doubles facts from here to help us with the bigger numbers, such as 600 plus 600. Boys and girls, we want to get to a point where we are doing these quickly, almost as if we're not even thinking about it. So Miss Thompson is thinking 2,000 plus 2,000 is 4,000. The reason that I know that is because I know that 2 plus 2 is 4. Therefore, 2,000 plus 2,000 is 4,000. Boys and girls, go ahead and pause and start to practice some of these facts. And the object is to do them quickly. Okay, if you are alive, you can play Double Trouble. I have a link here to an online dice game. It's called Virtual Dice Roll. And you get to click on the dice like so. And whatever number is there, you just double it. 1 plus 1. You can do 1 dice or you can take 2 dice by clicking on 2. And I can take 26 and I can double it. I can use what I know about 2 plus 2 and 6 plus 6 to help me add 26 plus 26 quicker. So this is a game you can play, and you can play this at home if you are not with a teacher, or you can play this with your teacher if your teacher decides to play this game with you guys. And you may pause the video here to play the game. All right, boys and girls, we've learned all about our doubles facts. So now it is your turn to show me how quickly you can add those doubles facts together. So you're going to click on the Google Forms link. You're going to choose your teacher's name like you've been doing throughout the last few weeks. And you're going to write the answer or type in the answers to all of the problems there. There aren't many. There are between 5 and 10 each day that I put them on. And basically, again, the object is to get done quickly. Good luck.